No, wrong. Wrong? Not even mimpi, but... Oh, please, here's Snad in the beginning of this. But, why? Why? Nice, one of these ads are okay. I like them, but... Can you stop dancing on the desk, Rosie? It's not funny, bro. Why? Did he say along? I don't know. Yeah, he did. He said along, that's it. Is that DW? Kind of looks different to me. Not really based from the show Arthur, but whatever. He tried. But why did it say 4th grade on the doors in the beginning of the video? Rosie, stop dancing. Okay, 1st grade. Where's Dora in that scene? There she is. There she is. There's Dora. Rosie, stop dancing on the desk. That's not funny. Where's Snack, Rosie? She forgot. She didn't even give a reason why. Actually, man. Actually, bodybuilder guy, you didn't give a reason why she didn't even bring it. But he's like... She's like... Stop dancing on the desk. Not even funny. No. There he is. There's no snack for Rosie. Why? Why? Yeah, no snack. He said kindergarten wrong. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ow. Oh, stop dancing on that way. Oh, my gosh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Time for snack. She didn't bring a snack. And Dora, bring something else. Why? He said kindergarten wrong. Oh, no. Ow. Yes. She has no snack. Oh, no. Ow. Rosie, stop dancing on the desk. That's it. Okay, kids, time for a snack. She got no snack. I can't believe it. That's it. Oh, no. Rosie, don't. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Why would you do that, Rosie? Rosie, how dare you do this to him? That's it. Wow, what? Now what? Oh, great. He has milk and cookies. Where are milk and cookies at? You forgot to bring them. Oh, dear. Oh, careful. Oh, he growled. Oh, my God. Why do you have no milk and cookies, Crater? No. Don't do it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Why? He forgot milk and cookies in that seed. Oh, dear. That's the last time, Rosie. Oh, no. Oh, no. There's no milk and cookies, you know. Oh, he forgot. No. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, my God. Rosie, why? Oh, no. Oh, no. I still like his super dog outfit. Why would you eat all the milk and cookies, Rosie? Ooh. Yummy dinner. Ooh, I wonder who's gonna be first at this point. Is it gonna be Oscar? But where's this bonus stage? Oh well, we gotta keep rolling and see what happens. Stop, Rosie. Of course it's gonna be you instead of you being last. Aren't you going to show up multiple times? If I want mice now. Oh? Okay, you can stop sliding now, princess. Why? Ow! Hey! Why'd you do that, Sir Winston? Yeah, where's something else? Where? 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 Just where? I'll keep doing this. What do you... No, cat... No, not now. Too many. Oh dear. Why am I doing this? Ah! That made me continuously slide a lot. Now what? No, no, how to be hedgehogs? No, abort, abort, mission, abort. Come on, Princess Crash. Yes. Thank you. I don't want to go to hedgehogs. Oh, it should have been Oscar next. Don't worry, still playing this. Yes, your turn, Oscar. Up next is mice. Should be the chance left. There you go. Much better. I really want to go to Oscar. Why'd you do that, Rosie? They start flying out of place. And she's dancing on it? No, I win. But Oscar, you can do it later. Oscar? Yes, that's what it's talking about. We did it. Oh my goodness, we did it. We got all those, my favorites. What? I only did one jump on that stage and now you just decided to prank this cat. Okay then. Now with butterflies, eat your food now. That's right. Ooh. Oh, just have this, Rosie. So eat it, please. No. Why? Don't. Of course it's hedgehog. Thank you, princess. Don't collect no more. Now what? Now what? Now what now? That's adorable too. Rosie, stop! Just eat it, please. You are wasting too much time with this nonsense, Rosie. I get it. We want to go to that pigeon so much. Yes, I want that. Now what, Rosie? Dance on the table? The answer is no. Oh, she danced on it, and that doesn't make sense. Why 1, 2, 3 nonsense again? Again? Oh man, those are like spiky things. 0, 0. Enough with the zeros, Boris. Oh, years, what does it mean? Why? It's just letters. I get it. She was smiling in the beginning. What do you mean no? Oh no. Are you kidding me? I want to last like a few minutes on the game, thank you. Now get me what? Oh, again? Why do I have to hear that right here before? What did you say, Rosie? Oh my. Oh man. What? What? Oh no you don't, Rosie. I get it. Oh, don't do this forever. Why, Rosie? Why? Oh, not too long, please. This month's almost over. Oh, Boris, enough of that number. Oh, man. Oh, great. 0, 0, 0, 0. No more. Oh, years? What? That doesn't make sense at all. Oh, this shouldn't be forever. Oh, my God, Rosie. What? Why? 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 Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, what? Oh, my God. Now what? It's gonna be this? Oh. Okay, finally. I thought it'd be forever, you know. We'll just finish. Not this, but later. Oh, for how much is a zero, boys? Took forever doing this, you know? I gotta wake you up too. Oh, years? What does that even mean? WAA? Why? Doesn't have to go with this. Come on, Rosie, now Cena. Now it's failure. Ooh, nice colors. You look very cute. No, I'm in another dungeon. I'm trying to get rid of those other enemies in that game, but looks like they're being stronger enough. Yes. Why do I keep seeing you, Molly? Like, nowadays you are the only one. It's gonna be every day, too. Bro. She's like, man, I just want a McDonald's. And then Roy's like, Rosie, you wanted to go to sleep. Wow, that was something. That's just something. Oh, years? What does it mean? What? It's meant to be 0, 0, 0. Come on. Not this again. You said something wrong, of course. Rosie, no. Please. That's not nice. The end. This was so long. Come on. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Stop with the zeros. Unfortunately, I do not have to hear all the zeros one day, Boris. Please. WWWWAAA. Hey, I just wanted this. So what? Are you doing this forever? Not now. Oh, man. Why? Oh, man. Oh, no. She fell. Oh, no. Why? Why? Are you even doing this forever? You could do it again. Oh, she's staring at me. Oh, no. Wow. Ready for this again? Rosie. No. Oh, no. You gotta be kidding me. Not again. Stop doing that. It's going forever. No. You could take forever saying all the WAs. No. I know the end sound capital. Rosie. Oh, you got me kidding me, Rosie. Rosie? What? Okay, I already hear the music. So that's why I'm free to go. 1, 2, 3 is just the first simple number. It's like, what? Are you crazy? Oh my goodness. Come on. Got you. Got you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Are you gotta be kidding me? Not again. No more? Rosie, what are you doing? Oh, great. Not again. Here comes the mess again. Now Rosie's just trying to be like, I want McDonald's. Is that it? You gotta be kidding me. Not again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Why?